Hey, hi everyone. You probably don't know me. I am not Lindsay. Anyway, hello everyone. My name is Giselle. I am a professor at LW Pharmacy Technician School, and I am just happy to meet all of you. We're actually doing a collaboration on how to become a bilingual pharmacy technician. No one has done this. So we're really excited to bring this to you. Free. That's it. Free. Okay? So please like, subscribe, and share this and show this to everybody. Okay? Because this is gonna be fire. Okay? So let me first start by introducing myself. My name is Giselle. But people call me Mrs. A. I've been in healthcare for 20 years. And I have the distinguished honor to also be a professor at LW Pharmacy. Okay, so if anybody wants to hit me up, that is the number at the bottom, 903-295-5933. Okay, so why did we create this program? Well, it's very easy. There are a lot of people from different backgrounds and dialects, and a lot of people speak Spanish. Now, I was raised in Puerto Rico, and I was raised here, but I grew up in a household where we spoke both languages. I didn't know it then, but it was going to be a real big asset for me as I got older. So now that I'm a pharmacy technician, it has opened so many doors for me in promotion, pay raises. So being bilingual has helped me a lot. And now I want to share it with you. So we're going to go through a few slides and we're going to learn some Spanish. Okay, let's start. So first, the most important thing of being a technician is communication, greeting somebody, smiling. And even though smiling is important, you have to say hello, hola, and stuff like that. It creates a rapport with the patients. It shows that you have a good bedside manner, and it also makes the person feel comfortable. And just in case you may not know the whole language, at least if you know some of it, it really helps them feel relaxed. And just in case they have a questions, they won't feel embarrassed to ask you. All right, so let's begin. So we have translation of daily words. The first word we have is what. And in Spanish, it's cuál. Cuál. The next word is date of birth, which is fecha de nacimiento. Fecha de nacimiento. The third is address, and that is dirección. Dirección. The fourth one is where. ¿Dónde? ¿Dónde? The next one is hello. That's hola. Everyone has to know that one. Hola. And the last word is, which is es. Es. So these words may look like nothing right now, but when you put them together, they're going to make complete sentences. It's important also to stop this video whenever you want, repeat it, write it down a couple of times, and you'd be surprised how fast you learn how to say these. Well, English words and Spanish words, they're not that far off. So the words we learned right now are cuál, fecha de nacimiento, dirección, dónde, hola, and es. Our next set of words. Your is tú. Tú. T is kind of like a D. Tú. The next word is name, which is nombre. Nombre. The next word is phone, which is teléfono, teléfono. The next word is number, which is número, número. Then the last word is have, is tener. Remember that T is like a D, tener. So the words we have here is tú, nombre, teléfono, número, tener. How are we doing so far? Doing good? Okay, let's continue. Our next set of words are do is hacer. Hacer. The H is silent here, so think of like an Acer, like an Acer computer, hacer. You is tú, tú. The next word is any, which is ningún, ningún. The next word is alergias, which is allergies. Now, the good thing is if you know you're in pharmacy, you know that Allegra is for allergies. So just think of that when you see the word allergies. Alergia, alergia. Medication is your next word, which in Spanish looks just like English, is medicamento, medicamento. And then the last word is insurance, which is seguro, seguro. The S here is like a C, so seguro. Right, if you have any questions at all, please do write it down and we will get back to you and answer your questions. All right, so now let's start conversations. See, we want the words. Now we're going to put the words together and we're going to start conversations. So, ¿cómo estás? Means, how are you? So when you see somebody from the pharmacy that you've known for a while that speaks Spanish, ¿cómo estás? It means, how are you? It's another form of greeting somebody in a casual way. Okay? So when you want to ask somebody, what is your name? You're going to say, ¿Cómo te llamas? That's why you have the little llama on the side down there. ¿Cómo te llamas? All right? On the left-hand side of your screen, you see ¿Cómo te digo? Which means, like, what do I call you? You can say that. What do I call you? That's a more casual way. But since we're professionals, we have to say, ¿Cómo te llamas? C means, me llamo Asia Smith. So she's saying, my name is Asia Smith. And the last one is, me llamo Hector Bermudez. Me llamo Hector Bermudez. So it's really not hard to ask, what is your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? What is your date of birth? So here, as you see the birth certificate, you can see which one of these, A, B, C, or D, means when you translate it, what is your date of birth? I'll give everyone a second. So the answer is D. ¿Cuál es tu fecha de nacimiento? ¿Cuál es tu fecha de nacimiento? That means, what is your date of birth? A, ¿cuál es tu dirección? You're asking, what is your direction or what is your address? B is ¿cuántos años tiene? Is how old are you? C is ¿cuál es su nombre? Means, what is your name? Now, all these questions are important because we do come to ask them in pickup or drop off. So, although ¿cuál es su nombre? ¿Cuál es tu fecha de nacimiento? ¿Cuál es su dirección? A, C, and D are just normal conversations that you would have when someone drops off a hard copy. All right, we just went through this. What is your address? which is ¿cuál es su dirección? Which would be C. A means mi primer nombre es Cindy, which is my name is Cindy. B means ¿tiene alguna pregunta hoy? Means do you have any questions today? D is vivo en una casa azul, means that they live in a blue house. Let's continue. So what is your phone number? Okay, what is your phone number? In Spanish, that would be is ¿cuál es su número telefónico? Telefónico. Okay, that means what is your phone number? The first one is ¿cuál es su número favorito? Even though it says number, it's asking what's your favorite number. And you can actually see with the last word favorito, which is close to the word favorite. The second one is ¿cuál es su nombre? Which means what is your name? And the last one is ¿cuál es la fecha de hoy? Fecha means date. What is today's date? Okay, so again, we have teléfono, which is telephone, but here we're asking for phone number, so it's two words together, which is número telefónico. We're putting two words together. All right, let's move on. Do you have any allergies? Now, this is a very important question because as we well know that when people drop off their medication, it's important to have their updated allergies. So with this being said, which one would be, do you have any allergies? Remember what I said. Some words look just exactly in English as they are in Spanish. So if you guessed C, you would be right. ¿Tienes alguna alergia? ¿Tienes alguna alergia? You see how alergia and allergies look alike? That's what that means. Do you have any allergies? The first one is tienes, which means do you. Alguna pregunta means do you have any questions? B means ¿tienes algún problema? Do you have any problems? And the last one is ¿cuál es su nombre? Which means what is your name? The more that you practice this, the more it'll get easier for you. Okay. Do you have any insurance? So this one is a little tricky because there's not a word in Spanish that looks like insurance. So you actually just have to know this one. This one is ¿tiene usted seguro? Seguro, which is with the C, like the first one. ¿Tiene usted seguro? That would mean, do you have insurance? The second one would mean, ¿tiene usted alguna pregunta? Pregunta would mean questions. Do you have any questions? ¿Tienes usted alguna alergia? That means, do you have any allergies? And ¿cuál es su nombre? What is your name? Okay. Well, that does it for today's first lesson. Again, everyone, if you like what you saw, and you please do share it, like it, and subscribe. And you let us know if you like what you see, if you want to learn more. Well, everyone, have a great day. My name is Giselle again, and I hope to see you guys soon.